Hi friends, Mr. Bowtie here. Today we're talking about how we can add pictures to Google Slides. Kind of like what Seesaw and some other programs do, where you can add an image placeholder on your slide where students can click on it, camera pops up, students take a picture of their work, whatever you want them to do, and it will fill up that placeholder with the image. Here's how we do it. Step one, we're going to come up to View and come down to Theme Builder. You can click on it there, or if you notice the little color palette, under the Slide tab, it's also next to Edit Theme. Either one of those, Edit Theme or Theme Builder, click on it. So here's our theme, and we're going to go through and we are going to click on Slide 2. I'm just going to go through and delete everything that I'm not using. So we're down to one slide. Why? Because now we can go through and adjust this to what we want. So I'm going to get rid of that. And so maybe for those that want to add some writing for the students, say, hey, I want them to write a little bit and explain what their picture is. I can leave this text box for them. Let's see about that far. Cool. And now let's add that picture placeholder. So two ways to do it. I can go to Insert, come down to Placeholder, Image Placeholder, and click on Rectangle, Rounded Rectangle, or an Oval. Quick pro tip, if you go to Oval and you want a circle, hold down the Shift button, and again, as you drag, it will make a perfect circle. Pretty cool. The second way to get to that image placeholder is next to the add an image. There's a little pull down arrow, click it, and go to image placeholder. Boom, there it is. I'll go a rectangle, and I just want to fill up the other 2/3-ish part of this page. Perfect. If it doesn't move over exactly, you can just use a little arrow key to, boom, get it in the right spot. There we go. So now I have a placeholder and I've got some text on the side. Or if that's too far over, I can adjust it, dragging it in. Or if I want to fill up the whole space, I want just the entire slide of the picture, drag that over. There we go. Drop it. There it is. Now I'm done with that theme builder. Click the little small X. And you'll notice that now on my page, I have that image placeholder. If I click the plus button to add a new layout, boom, it's the image placeholder, the little arrow pointing down to add a new layout. Again, they're all gone except for that one. So the only way students can add a new slide is click on it and they can add the image placeholder. Let's see how it works. So now when students click on that image placeholder, they're going to come down to camera and they're going to take a picture. Here we go. Do something crazy, smile. Click on the camera and you'll see right up here, I can now replace it. Boom, there it is. If I want to change or edit this, students will not use the delete or the backspace. It just removes the entire placeholder. We don't want that. So instead, right click, come down to replace image, click on camera. Let's switch it up this time. Yeah, that looks good. Click on the camera. Perfect. Now they can come over and select their second option and hit replace. Boom, there it is. Pretty easy. Another pro tip number two, don't forget use Google Classroom and push out the slides to all students. Don't forget to change that little pull down menu to say create a copy for each student. And there you go. When you're done, you're done.